I've had the unique experience of working in government, in law enforcement, in the business place, and in the church. I also have a degree in American history with a concentration in early American history. Lately, I've heard a lot of talk about the degradation of societal values, factions in our country at war with one another, figuratively at least. And one thing that I've observed that is possibly the biggest cause of this is the lack of value ascribed to life and personal freedoms. And what I mean by that is that in today's society, if a person commits an action, however unintentionally, that offends our sensibilities, we immediately make it our goal to destroy that person socially, to ruin their reputation or their career. You think about what it takes to build trust. Think about decades committed to hard work and obedience to the tens of thousands of laws that we have in this country. If a person can do that, if a person can live their life in such a way that they don't break any of man's laws, at least not to the extent that anyone is injured physically or financially, they do one thing that you don't like, nor is it necessarily immoral, but it can be made to sound that way. And you take to social media or run to the boss and use that example as a way to tear down and destroy a life that someone spent 30, 40, 50, however many years to build because of an ideological difference that could have been handled some civil way. This is the cause of the majority of the division and hurt in our society. It's not the fact that we have differences of opinion. It's the fact that we use those differences as an opportunity to take insult and then turn that insult into outrage and then turn that outrage into division and destruction. Protect other people's lives, even if you disagree with what they're about. Protect other people's freedoms and give grace when you have the opportunity to. Don't manipulate, don't destroy, don't hold people to every tedious letter of policy and law when they're trying their best to be within the spirit of it. This country was founded on freedom. Whether you're in law enforcement or business or government or church or just your average Joe walking the streets, remember that. Value freedom. Value other people's lives and livelihoods. This is how we reunite and reconcile and become a great nation again. Remember to like, subscribe, and come back to see us. Take care.